Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the DOCOSS USB Arc BBQ lighter. This comes in this very simple box. This is basically a USB lighter, an arc lighter, a arc flexible lighter. This is for lighting candles, solid alcohol, cigarette, incense, gas stove, wood, wool, etc. It's environmental friendly, it's clean, rechargeable, comes with a USB connect, low carbon electricity, long life cycle and smart charging unit as well. That's all the information over here. I will open this and okay, just one little thing. It says over here that this particular lighter has an output voltage of 5 volts and output current is below 3000 mA. Charge can be filled with 0.5 to 1 hour, so it will take around 0.5 to 30 minutes to an hour to charge. I'll open this box and show you what's inside. These are the components of the box. We have a micro USB charger for this arc lighter. There you go, the tiny charger. This is a thank you note from DOCOSS, and this is the arc lighter in question. It's a pretty big arc lighter. It comes with this flexible head as well, which this basically gives you a lot of mobility and flexibility in order to reach places that you usually can't. And not just that, this is the on off button. This is basically a safety feature. You switch it on and you notice these LEDs turning on. This basically shows you that the device is completely charged, that there are 4 dots over here that tells you this device is completely charged. And this is the button that you press to light things up. So okay, there you go. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the DOCOSS USB Arc barbecue lighter. Thank you for watching.